Today is day 3, currently 9:35 p.m. I just got back from being out pretty much all day for the past few hours. But yeah, I haven't worked on a CAD model yet, but I'm gonna sit here and spend the rest of the time just working on the CAD model, drawing up some more designs and making sure I can see the internal geometry, and then to just go from there and then update periodically. I have SolidWorks open right now and I'm finna get to work. I find it interesting also that one of the hardest things, or the most over contemplated things, is just starting. Like, why do we hold off starting? I don't know why. I'm like, I know I could get it done, but I just hold it off. Like, no. One of the reasons why I even started the original the 7-day challenge was because I'm tired of just like thinking about starting, and instead of just starting, like, I need to just start and then go from there. And once I start, build momentum and just stop staying in place. I don't need to stay in place. That's very dangerous, especially the places I want to go. So I just need to start, and I've started a little, and now I'm just gonna keep that momentum. But yeah, today is day 3 and I'm going to get this CADed. I wasn't able to go to the university today, but Monday is when I'll be able to go back and start 3D printing. But I'm gonna have the model done. I wouldn't say the face models, but I'm gonna have the CAD model done before then.
Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Don't push back. Conscience under pressure. Conscience under pressure. Huh? Conscience under pressure. You can shake it anyway. Well, you can shake it anyway. Oh. Well, you can shake it anyway. Oh. Well, you can shake it anyway. Push back.
day three done. I finished the CAD designs for the base of the robot, and also designed the servo horn that sits on top of the servo that also houses another servo. And I'll model the face day 4, but day 3 done.